This is a quick tutorial for TikTokers showing you how to use YouTube Shorts. So here we are in sort of our FYP, which is just in the Shorts, in the Shorts tab. When you hit pause at the top,
how can we take down our
subscription feed?
Honestly, I can't even fucking.
And there's a live feed.
You would, boy. Have no more Issa. This is
and a trending feed and all kinds of stuff. On the right side, you have what we're used to. And then on the bottom, there's that little remix thing. You can use the sound. Sounds work just like they do on TikTok. And yes, all the music is there too. A collab is just a duet. Green screen is exactly what it sounds like. And those two, you can only do 15 seconds. Or you can cut this video.
My grass is really green.
It's just a stitch, and so then you can record.
Really dark time for me. I'm going through a lot.
And then one more thing, which is in any video or any comment on any video, you can reply with up to 1 minute, or you can upload up to 3 minutes.
By a lot, you mean drugs?
I wouldn't.
Drugs?
No.
I hope that helps. If you have any questions, ask and I'll reply with a video. I hope you have a badass day, and I love you.